What's up, brothers? In today's video we're gonna be talking about why you're weak and can't do a single pull-up. So, why can't you do a pull-up? Why do you grab the bar with full confidence and then immediately regret all of your life choices? You struggle, you shake, you kick your legs like you're in a swimming competition, and then after one embarrassing attempt you drop down and pretend like you were just stretching. Listen, pull-ups are not impossible. You are just weak in the wrong places, but I've got you. So, people fail at pull-ups because they think it's just about getting stronger, which is not true. If that were true, every dude who bench presses 100 kilograms would be rapping out pull-ups, but guess what? Most of them can't even do 5 pull-ups. The problem isn't just strength, it's grip, scapula control, core engagement and proper progressions. If you're not training these, your pull-up game will stay at the rock bottom. Mistake number 1. You probably have a weak grip, which means you can't do pull-ups. If you can't even hang from the bar for 30 seconds, how do you expect to pull your whole body up? Your hands give out before your back gets a chance to work, basically. So how do we fix that? With dead hangs, which means that you grab the bar and hang for 30 to 60 seconds every single day. Your grip will improve over time. So mistake number 2, your scapula is slipping. What does that mean? Most beginners just grab the bar and yank with their arms, which is totally wrong. Your back should do the work. And how do we fix that? You need to start doing scapular pull-ups. Hang from the bar, then pull your shoulder blades down. This wakes up your lats and makes pull-ups 10 times easier, basically. Then we have mistake number 3. You're swinging like a wrecking ball. If your legs go around like you're skydiving, your core is weak. And what does it mean if you have a weak core? You have zero stability, and because of that, terrible pull-ups. We can fix that with hollow body holds and a lot of leg raises. Control your body so you don't look like a fish out of the water. And then mistake number 4, you have no progression plan. Pull-ups aren't all or nothing. If you're just jumping to the bar and hoping for a miracle, you're doing it wrong. How you're gonna fix that is you can use a resistance band. You just wrap it around the bar and place your foot in. This gives you just enough assistance to practice full range pull-ups without completely falling. Over time, use thinner bands until you don't need one at all. And the second fix can be if you start doing negative pull-ups, which means that you jump to the top, then lower yourself down slowly. This builds the exact strength you need to start doing real pull-ups. So if you follow this, you will get your first pull-up, dead hangs every day, scapular pull-ups, core training, resistance bands and negative pull-ups, and most importantly, stop making excuses. So, how can I say? Pull-ups aren't magic, they're just a skill, and if you train them the right way, you will get them. So instead of saying, I can do pull-ups, go grab a resistance band, start hanging from the bar and build real strength, no excuses. Subscribe for more workout and advice at home, and that's it. Let's go.